In this video, I want to use the MATLAB curve fitting app to perform the curve fitting of this data using a polynomial function. So I have my independent variable x and my dependent variable y. So all I need to do is to go to my menu bar, then go to apps. The one I'm interested in is the curve fitter app. So if I click on it, so this window will open, and by default you can see the fit type is polynomial. So I can fit my data using different function, exponential function, Fourier, Gaussian. So because I want to fit it using polynomial, I will leave it at the default. So the next thing is to select the data I want to fit. So after clicking select data, so for my S data, I have already named the variable x, so it will actually read the variables in my workspace. So I will select x. And for the y data also, I will select y. Had it been it is 3D, I will select z, but I have like the S data and the y data. So the dots here in the plot is the y versus s relationship of my data, and the line here is the polynomial that I want to use to fit the data. So it is a polynomial of degree 1. So you can see the function here for the polynomial of degree 1. I have my coefficients p1 and p2. Here are the values, and these are performance metrics of my fitting. So I have my sum of square errors and my root mean square error. You can see that the sum of square error is pretty big, and the root mean square error is also big, which is actually reflected on the plot. You can see that it doesn't actually fit the data. So let me move to a higher polynomial, say for example 2. So you can see that the fitting is a bit better. So going to a degree of say 3, it is getting better, and the sum of square error is reducing. So if I go to a polynomial of 4, so you can see I have a good fit with a fourth order polynomial. You can see that the sum of square error is also getting lower. So moving to 5. So I think this one actually almost perfectly fits it, and you can see that the root mean square error is pretty low, and the sum of square error is also pretty low, and here are my coefficients of the polynomial. So after getting the desired fit, you can actually create a MATLAB code if you click on export. So if you just generate code, so that will automatically generate a MATLAB function that will create that order of polynomial that satisfies your fitting. So I just need to save it. I will save it using the same name of the function. So you can see this is the function. So let me just call the function in my command window. So I already have my x and y in the workspace. So if I click on enter, so you can see this is the same curve fitting from the one we saw in the curve fitter app. And in the command window, I have my performance metrics here for the sum of square error and the root mean square error. So if you want to learn curve fitting using the polyfit and polybal function in MATLAB, watch the video on the screen. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.